Hey, this is Charles Raven from InfoSpike. I'll be covering Mobile Money System by Glynn, Kosky, and Hannah. And this is a system that is AI focused. It will help you make money on your smartphone from just about anywhere in the world. And it's a copy and paste system. I'll be covering the pros and cons and tell you pretty much the dirt on this to see whether or not it's a good fit for you to help you make a more educated decision. I'll be covering some of the major features. Just to let you know, I have been a customer of Glenn's across multiple products. There's a lot of knowledge that I know, especially from getting information directly from him, and I'll be able to hopefully clarify things for you in case you see this offer and wonder, gosh, this seems amazing. Is it right for me? Is it a total piece of junk? You'll be able to get the story because I do really want to help you set the expectation if you decide to get this. And then also, there's something special I'll talk about at the end that you can grab. And so, what is this? It's a mobile money system. It's made him and Hannah well over 38K in 2025, and I'm shooting this in 2025. And it allows you to tap into 20 plus income streams. If you don't want to show your face, if you don't want to build funnels, if you don't want to sell, if you don't want to learn tons and tons of marketing, all you have to do is just copy and paste and implement the system. And this is 100% legal and ethical, and that is a claim from him. And just 2 clicks and 10 seconds for them to make money. I'll be talking a little bit more about that. Runs on cell phones, Wi-Fi, and you could run this from just about anywhere in the world. In fact, this video I'm shooting right now is from my tablet. I have this Samsung tablet, 11-inch tablet. You could use it on a tablet, you could do it on a cell phone, and you could use your laptop if you want to. You could use it with offers on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Digistore24, ClickBank, and if you have been around, understand these marketplaces, a lot of them are focused on making money online. So if you're wondering what niche you're going to go into, if you're expecting to get training on how to promote dog products or travel or something like that, I'd say, yeah, you could use a lot of the information for those types of offers, but this really helps people that are focused on helping others around the world make money online. Just want to let you know that up front. Get us free buyers traffic and unlimited clicks, zero hidden expenses or monthly fees. You get private coaching and this 180-day money-back guarantee and free coaching. So I'll let you know this up front. The core 3 things I see here is that Glynn will provide you with a system that's done for you. You don't have to build complicated funnels. You don't have to know about complicated sales and marketing. He has done the bulk of the work for you. Plus, he has created a system that is mobile ready. You can use your smartphone, as I mentioned, and that is a key thing for me. I travel a lot. I want to be able to build a freedom business. So if you are on this video watching it because you want to do the same thing, you want to be able to travel the world, you want to be able to do things without people locking you down, this is a system for you. The third thing here that I'm seeing is that you could use organic traffic. If you are burnt out in using paid ads, if you have been in a situation like myself where you've done thousands and thousands into ads or even products, the thing is that that stuff there is not needed to make money, and you could do this again faceless. If you don't want to build a brand, that's fine. I'll be talking more about that as well. And then just keep in mind with free traffic, it does require you to put effort into it. So I'll be talking more about that, and here are the steps. You log in, grab the system, of course, log in, copy and paste, and then you start implementing with this copy and paste system. So here are the testimonials from his site, and I'll be talking about these just to give you the reality of the situation. I thought I needed to build a brand or learn some complicated system. Nope, mobile money system just gave me one link, told me where to paste it, and boom. Cindy, this felt way too easy, like it should work, but I followed the steps, pasted the link from my phone, and made my first $69. And I bought courses before that just confused me, but this, no laptop, no tech, no stress, no overwhelm, just copy and paste. So a lot of this I can say that it is valid. They are using a system. You can go ahead and learn from Glynn and Hannah. You can go ahead and start making money. And they said first $69. So here's the deal. Good luck at all these things, and this is where it changes, where people start saying that they've made this much money in 24 hours, 3,200 plus. Here's the reality. If you are a heavy hitter, if you have been around the block in affiliate digital marketing, if you have an audience, yeah, you can go ahead and promote it in 24 hours. You can make a bunch of money. However, if you're just getting started, I would say that that's not realistic for most. You have to put the work into it. But let me just tell you this. To be able to make this kind of money in seconds, hours, 24 hours, you have to start from somewhere. If you want to make this kind of money, you have to start from somewhere, and starting today or whatever day you start, that is the beginning point for you to go up that hill to be able to lock in this trajectory where you could start building money at a higher level in the future. And that's just like anything. If you think about elementary school to college, a lot of people invest their time and money into that. There's no way a typical kid in first grade will understand advanced physics in elementary school. They have to kind of climb a certain path to be able to learn that, and the knowledge and skills they accumulate. And that is the good thing that I love about marketing, especially digital marketing. If you're focused on the things that Glynn teaches, you'll be able to learn evergreen strategies that will eventually build on top of each other to create this snowball effect where you could start making these types of commissions. But the reality of the situation for people getting started, you got to start from somewhere. And at $17, this is a low price to pay. If you think about the cost of education nowadays, cost of boot camps, career training, this is here in Silicon Valley is where I live. That's a cost of slightly above a cost of a small pizza. Meet the mobile money system creators. You got Hannah and Glynn. They're telling their story. So I'm going to leave you with this. This system, again, it does have the benefits. It does help you create a faceless business. Whether you choose to create a brand or not is your choice. I would say that nowadays in 2025, in the age of AI, building a brand, if that is something that you can do, I would recommend it. But if you can't, there are people that can still make money online by using like systems like Glynn's to be able to create faceless businesses. So if that is something that resonates with you, where you don't want to put yourself out there, this system can allow you to do that. So here's the deal. I have a link in the description, and I'm also going to put a link in the comment section. I'm giving out some premium bonuses. These premium bonuses are designed to help you take these learnings from Glynn and reach that next level, to help you accelerate your growth. So you just go ahead and learn from them, append them to what you learn from Glynn, and then they will help you accelerate your progress. So check that link out. These are added bonuses that you get at no extra cost just for picking up this system from Glynn and Hannah directly from my link. And again, my name is Charles Draven from infospike.com, and I want to thank you for watching this video.